The BMW Motorrad Concept RR relies on the water-cooled inline four-cylinder engine of the world champion machine from the FIM Superbike World Championship, which already delivers more than 230 horsepower. The BMW Motorrad Concept RR raises the bar for lightweight construction by utilizing cutting-edge manufacturing processes and advanced materials like aluminium and carbon. Every element, from the frame to the smallest part, is constantly optimized for performance and lightweight design. With an illuminated RR symbol on the underside of the delicate aluminum tail and an embossed RR logo on the tail, the design also adheres to the principles of being expressive, purposeful, and sharp. The concept bike also features high-performance brakes and an aerodynamically optimized fairing with integrated winglets, which have been meticulously refined for ambitious, super sporty use on the road and in professional racing. Accompanying this are the electronic control and regulation systems that come directly from the WSBK M1000RR, such as the engine management, traction control, and engine brake.